Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. Today I have this one. This is called the Heong Town gift box. Well, a lot of people has been talking about this gift box because look at this design. Ayo. How to say? If you look at the box like this, it reminds you of something, right? We all know what's that, right? So this is the box, but actually inside the box it looks very nice. So let me open first. Yeah, so, okay, and it's actually very nice. Okay, let me put this on the side. So if you open everything up, you can see here it's like a beautiful town, and then the first thing first is the popular Heong crispy chicken floss, 200 gram, and then there's a game for you to win prizes. So there's a card for you to scratch for unique code. Yeah, you can play with this. And then let me show you. The box is actually quite nice here. Let me open. Okay, so there's another layer. So this is one of the layers. And then you can see it's like this. Actually, you can see the box is very nice. Yeah, very colorful. So don't judge the book by its cover. What's inside here? So these are the BBQ sliced pork. One, two, three. So this is the crispy chicken floss, and then this is the barbecue spicy pork. This is the BBQ honey bacon, and this is the BBQ minced pork, BBQ sliced pork, and lastly the BBQ chicken. So all of these are in the hometown gift set. With all these like goodies inside, I think it's really worth it. Okay, so I hope you know what's inside the Heong Town gift set. If you like this video, just hit the subscribe button. Do comment if any questions, and how you purchase it online is at the description. Thanks for watching everyone. Please be safe, take care, and happy Chinese New Year. See ya.